Okay, so this is Domingos Lane. We're gonna be walking down that way, and we're gonna go towards St. Dominic's Church. And there's also this little cathedral right over here, say, that's over that direction. But we're gonna slowly work down this way. There's some pretty cool murals by Chinnery and some other artists as well. And behind us is this little area right here. There's Grand Lisboa. Sun is just coming down. There's some really nice buildings right there. And we're gonna go down São Domingos Lane. Stay tuned. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay. So the first thing we got is we have this little cathedral right here. Got tons and tons of people everywhere. So we're just gonna walk into it a little bit. Looks like they're also getting set up with a nativity scene. Let's say over that way. Let's just walk down that way. So we are gonna go down our target street in a moment. But before we do, I just want to capture, there's a, I think that's seminary. Kind of nicely, the yellow buildings just started to light up a little bit. Say Cathedral right there. We're gonna be walking down that way, which is say, let's see, they have the nativity set that's being set up. And right now we're kind of in the Central Historic District. So we're gonna head on down. Let me see, I guess it's also written in English and then all the languages right there as well. So we're gonna head over that way. So let's go down our target street. Some pretty cool buildings everywhere here, including that one right there. That was kind of a cool one. That little, these little diagonals, diamonds. Okay. So let's head on down. There's a Grand Lisboa Casino. And we are going to head on down our target street, Travessa, São Domingos Travessa Lane. I'm hoping to catch some of the lights as well, so we'll see how the lighting is. There's some landmarks in Macau. Technological Center, Science and Technology. This is the cathedral that's right there. So we were just looking at that right there. Say, Kia Hill, Kia Lighthouse, Sao Paulo Ruins, Guayin, Peña Church right there, Guayin right there. Kind of cool. It's kind of interesting they got Grand Lisboa in the background and a moon over Macau right there. Okay, so this one is this just has a really cool sign that says don't throw your garbage illegally right here. So it's kind of funny. That's a beautiful sign. And then you got the nice little murals as well. Let's go across. Lochas, the old style boats and carriage and cars from a different era. Feito in Macau, Feito Ain. Workers, a little bit of a socialist workers element there to the murals in this spot. Oh, a mesa. This is a firecracker museum. So there's Taipa in particular was very famous for that. And we got some murals as well right here. So that's Mother Mary and Jesus mural. So we're gonna head on down our target street right there, but we'll just go into our alley ever so slightly. Got some of the ships. I think those are called lorcas or lorchas in Portuguese. Pretty cool. Actually, that guy is a Chinese guy. I think this one is made by, all of these are made by George Chinnery. So Chinese junk. So I guess that's not Portuguese, that would be 100% Chinese. Which explains why that guy in particular looks. So we got some more murals here. So we got another one here. This is also another art, the same artist right here, George Chinnery. Praia Grande with fishermen in San Francisco Church. So let me see. So the Grande Praia, I guess the Grand Praia was kind of a wraparound. It looks like there's a gap in the anyways, this is more of his work. This is outside São Domingos, which is right over, we're going to be going into that. So São Domingos right there, St. Dominic's Church. So that's what it used to look like back when George Chinnery. Looks like there's hairstyle. They have the typical hairstyle at that time. It looks like that one is cutting hair up there. This one is food or something with food and water, bathing, tea, drinking, eating rice, eating as well. Lots of people are eating bowls of rice. And then we have another mural right here. So this one's actually looking over the Praia Grande. So let me see. I think that's Sao Paulo ruins. That's Mont Fortress. That looks like it's Peña Church, but it looks like it's the order is opposite, maybe. Let's see. It says Fort Praia Grande from Bom Porto Fort. Then we got more down that way as well. We're gonna go back to our target street. So we're on São Domingos. We're gonna take a look for that one mural because it said it's in front of St. Dominic's Church. And we're gonna be heading towards St. Dominic's Church right now. Let's see, before we even go down, we got some kind of cool shops. Let's see. We're gonna slowly head on down. Huh, this is a patio do poeta. It's like a patio of the poet. Huh. So there's a little patio right there that we cannot enter. But it looks like it once went up to that spot. So we won't be able to see that, but at least it has a pretty cool name. This is a Portuguese restaurant. Portugal. So that one's called Portugal. Let's take a look. Yeah, there was a half a car that was here, but I think they moved it to Tres Sardinhas. It's like 3 sardines. Huh, this one has Ginja do Sonato. It's pretty cool balconies up there as well. Okay, so pretty cool little space. Ginja do Sonato, that's like a certain alcohol beverage. Pastéis de Chaves. Huh. Pastel de coco and pastel de nata. It's pretty interesting. And the Ginja do Sonato is and alcohol, and Senado is Senado Square.
Bottle is 200 ml. Yes, this one is 700 ml. Yeah, only two sizes.
Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Coffee and lemon tea. Okay, let me do a little bit of a 360 here. Huh. Got more hamburger, and then you got more of the pastel de natas and different stuff like that. So that's the street we just went down. Some really nice balconies here as well. Some new businesses come about. Boutique. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way down to Domingos Church. And this little alley is called Domingos Lane, Travessa. So this is kind of a busy, there's the St. Dominic's Church straight that way, that in yellow. But we're gonna just come through here a little bit and just take a look around. You got the Christmas, Merry Christmas, Feliz Natal up there. And then we're gonna go right towards St. Dominic's, which is straight ahead to the left. Straight ahead to the left. Okay, so that's St. Dominic's right there. So we basically did, and we're also in the square as well. So we're in Largo de São Domingos, as you can see from that sign right there. And now we have the church right there. Our lane was back there. So let's just kind of go towards the church. Some huge windows up there. I think they're starting to close as well. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk up slightly. We're in St. Dominic's Plaza now. We started in the lane. I think they're just closing everything up, and it's related to the church. So St. Dominic's Church. So this was actually established 1587 by 3 Spanish Dominican priests who originally came from Acapulco. There's a connection with Mexico, and Acapulco is also, there's a connection with the Philippines as well. Originally built in wood, Chinese Church of the Wooden Planks, connected to the Brotherhood of Our Lady of the Rosary, 1929, mixed in with Our Lady of Fatima, 3 shepherd children, Fatima, okay. All these different references. So it's basically one of the Dominicans, connected with Fatima, connected with Acapulco and Mexico as well. So, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're going to slowly work our way back over to the lane, capturing a little bit from the church. And then we're going to come back. So our little lane basically comes right out to this nice space right in here. So now you got a little bit of a taste and a little bit of touch of Senado Square, São Domingos Square, St. Dominic's Square, St. Dominic's Lane, Say Cathedral, and a little bit of Christmas as well up here. So let's come back up to our lane. Then that's where we're going to end our video. Okay. Hope you like that one. St. Dominic's, let me just get up to the lighting part. That's going to be kind of the highlight of it anyways. Okay, so there we go. St. Dominic's Lane. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.